Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is review video number 31. Yeah, 31, I believe. And we just got a notification. Got a notification bell here that we received our earnings for today, 0.43%. And with the money I have invested here in the system, I've made $46.32. As you see, it went up from Friday. Today's Monday, by the way. So Friday was 0.36. That's what I made. And this is what I made today, guys. $46.32. Decent day. So I'm averaging $40 profit every single day, Monday to Friday. And as you guys see, they changed the dashboard here in the back office. They really adjusted it here. It looks good. I mean, of course, it doesn't have the day-by-day graph. But now, if you want to see what you made day by day after 8 p.m. Central Time, you can go down to the Investments tab, and you can check for your daily income, which is right here, guys. And you just kind of add those two up, or whatever amount of investments you have. You add them all up, and that's what you made for the day. So I'm averaging about about $41 a day, guys. So today's Monday. On Friday, I'm going to be combining these two investments, which will put the money at the very top up here, and I'll be able to do a withdrawal, guys. So be on the lookout for that on the Friday video, which would be video number 35, actually. And they changed this as well. They used to have the summary of your S&T, your SWP, and USD. It used to be in smaller print, but they have it when you click on it now. They have a full balance. So they just kind of adjusted the dashboard. Everything else is the same, guys, just the dashboard. So now when you log in, you can see all your investments all on one page, which is kind of cool. Right here, it says income for 30 days. So I guess they have it for the entire month, I believe. Or maybe actually it's just the last 30 days, because it does say here for June we've made $379. So this is just the last 30 days of your account for your income statistics, and still has your overall income up here. So guys, things are moving along pretty sweet. Again, if you guys have any questions, I see you guys checking out my videos. I'm getting more and more clicks and more inquiries, some emails coming through. So guys, keep those emails coming. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. My email's in the link in the description down below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to sign up if you've been looking at my videos and you want to be part of this passive income opportunity. Sign up underneath the referral link down below in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the bottom to subscribe to my channel, so we can see all the updates and you can see my withdrawal. Of course, when I do the withdrawal video, I'm going to be doing it in two parts. I'll probably just kind of do two videos and combine them together, but as the initial request, it takes up to 8 hours to process. So I'm going to do it before I go to bed, get up in the morning, and then I'll have it all there. So, guys, S Group, as you can see all these different areas you can invest your money in, which is really phenomenal. My higher up, he's invested in the S Pharmaceutical. He has about 15 grand in here, so he's making money on that as well, as with Forex as well. He has some money in SIPO as well, which is the stock trade. So he is getting really close to his team turnovers, so he's going to get a company bonus. I'm growing my team as well, guys, so I'd love for you guys to be a part of it. You can be part of my team, get these type of results. This is my overall income for since day one, since I've started with the system. They have it broken down, your income for the last 30 days. Let's see what it says. Your statistics have yield in the direction for the last 30 calendar days. I see. Interesting. So they just changed this back office, guys. It's looking very nice and sleek. It's less cluttered. It has exactly what you're looking for, so it's really great. So guys, so that comes to the end of my 5-minute daily review video. I just wanted to do this video real quick to show you my earnings today. Again, I made $46.32. Very happy. So make sure you click on the sign up link down below and sign up for an account. It's free, guys. You can get in and start making money like this. All right, see you guys in the next video. Take care.